Earlier we told you how specific areas in Delhi also have seen beefed up security. Anindya Banerjee now reports from Connaught Place.
It's been little more than 24 hours that India has struck back on Pakistan, going deep inside its territory and killing at least 30 of its men. And now the national capital, Delhi, has turned into a virtual fortress. The best men of Delhi police are put on the job to make sure that you and I are safe in the city. For instance, this is a commando, a specially trained commando of Delhi police carrying an AK-47, also wearing bulletproof jacket to make sure he himself is safe before making sure that you and I are safe. Very interesting thing, if I'm a camera person can point you here, these are chains that are tied to make sure that a terrorist cannot snatch away the weapon that he is using. Barricades are put in every few hundred meters. Where I'm standing right now is a very busy place called the Connaught Place. Towers like this are erected from in every important strategic position, and specially trained commandos are upon it to make sure, carrying weapons to make sure that to spot any suspected activity, and if at all they're spotted, they can be immediately thwarted. Through these barricades, these men are making sure that no suspected car can go through, because it is only through these cars that people can carry explosives, people can carry weapons, and to make sure that they are not, that doesn't happen, they're stopping cars and checking them on and off. Remember, there has been an unspecified input from the IB saying that there can be a terrorist activity, a terrorist strike here in the national capital in the run-up to the Diwali, the festive season, and that's following which on 19th the MH issues an advisory saying that to Delhi police to make sure that each and every important strategic location of the city is properly manned, and that's why you see kind of unprecedented preparedness. People are checking every bit of it so that not even a small thing, not even a small pin that is of suspect nature can slip through. These are men, the best men on the job to make sure post-Uri, post the surgical strike of Pakistan, of India, deep inside Pakistan, no retaliatory activity takes place here in the national capital, to make sure they are working 24/7 to make sure that you and I are safe. Reporting from New Delhi with Vipin, I'm Anindya Banerjee for India Today.